Jiangsu Junma, one of the leading bulldozer factories in China, specializes in manufacturing medium-sized bulldozers ranging from 130 to 220 horsepower, HP, as well as large bulldozers with over 220 HP. One of our notable products is the JM16 crawler bulldozer, which is specifically engineered to withstand extreme forces exerted on the bucket. It is equipped with a powerful 160 HP engine and has a length of 4.99 meters, a height of 3.11 meters, and a maximum weight of 18.2 tons. The bulldozer can achieve speeds of up to 9.63 kilometers per hour. The cab of the JM16 bulldozer offers excellent visibility, ensuring the operator has a clear view of the working area. Additionally, it has a fuel tank capacity of 300 liters, resulting in longer operating hours without the need for frequent refueling. The bulldozer is designed to have low fuel consumption and maintenance costs, contributing to cost efficiency for the customers. Due to its versatility, the JM16 bulldozer can be adapted for various applications. It can be used as a wetland bulldozer, logging bulldozer, or sanitation bulldozer, depending on the requirements of the job. The reasonable design of the bulldozer ensures high productivity while maintaining a competitive price point, making it a popular choice among customers. Overall, Jiangsu Junma's JM16 bulldozer is known for its robust construction, powerful performance, versatility, and cost-effectiveness, which have contributed to its high customer satisfaction and popularity in the market.